Okay, good morning. We are taking a first look at the Upper Charles Trail. Almost complete construction here. Wanted to get the first look. This is Trolley Brook Trail. It's a section that spans from Megunko Road to Memorial Drive. So my first question was, is this going to be paved? And the answer is yes. We've got 10 feet, so not bad. Days after some rain, it is still very buggy. Obviously, we've got some wetlands on the Megunko side, on each end. Some of them spitting down from Nyanza, so should be a pretty familiar area to whoever recognizes these small little ponds back here. Kind of gets brushed under. I've flown over it a few times covering Nyanza and revisited, but it's cool to get feet on the ground and get right up close here. So it's completely level. I don't know what they did, but it's really something. I'm almost enjoying the gravel feel. Obviously, this will be paved, so I mean, think about it. You're on a bike, you're up anywhere near downtown. You can get over. You're up at the apartments on Cirrus, come down, cut across. I'm thinking bike access is probably the best to start because you don't have to worry about parking if you're rolling right in. There is a few larger openings along the trail, but it seems like this is where debris is being stored for now as they get through the process here. Tons of rocks along the right side, coming down from Memorial Drive. Another little geography is to be exposed here. I've hiked down here before. I don't know if anyone has done the same, but there was always kind of a trail. Definitely much lower in some spots, but I did come back here before. Didn't really get much, but I was actually just trying to make my way around Nyanza at the time. So this brings it right back. Second day of the heat advisory. Today is severe, so got out here on the early side, and so not completely like bugged out, but pretty, I'd say like 7 out of 10. So my take on it is long layers get a little bit warmer, but they prevent all the shock and bite on the way out and the way in. They can always let a layer go. Plus, get more of the bug spray on the clothing versus your skin. I'm kind of anxious about bug spray. What's that gonna do? We got a natural one. We got sometimes you just gotta break out the heavy stuff. So there's a lot of oranging going on in these, on the left side, kind of ponding here. I don't know, orange, but must be pollen. Natural breakdown. So I want to come down and check this out today. Looks like they're pretty much like a 90 right now. They're almost done. Looks like literally all they're doing is going to come down and prep their set and pave and whip down here. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Trolley Trail here, Ashland's own. And stay cool today. Have a great day. Cheers and enjoy. Take care. See you soon.